Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Yazio app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.